First birthday cakes are some of my favorite to make, but smash cakes make the cutest pictures. So I want to show you exactly how to make your own, so follow along. This cake just happened to be super simple, but customizing your cake with sprinkles or different colors is super easy to do and really cute. To start my cake, I have gone ahead and made 4-inch round cakes and stuck these in the freezer overnight to chill. Freezing my cake is so important, especially for a smash cake. I want a super moist cake so that my birthday baby can tear into this super easily. So I've gone ahead and frozen my cake, and now it's time to decorate. I start by stacking my cake and then crumb coating and sticking this back in the freezer to chill for just a few minutes. When stacking my cakes, I want to make sure to use a lot of buttercream here. So as I'm making this cake, I'm thinking about the baby that's going to be eating this. I want a lot of icing to get really messy so that they have something to tear into. So I'm adding extra icing in the middle of my layers and extra icing on the outside when icing. Once my crumb coat is chilled, I take this out of the freezer, I will ice again, and then stick it back in the freezer one more time. And then because I use white buttercream, you can sometimes see through it, so I always do an extra layer of buttercream when I'm using white. So I do that now and then stick it back in the freezer for just a minute before I put my border on. And then lastly, I just pipe a border along the top, and then I have the perfect little smash cake. And there you have it, a super simple, clean smash cake for a first birthday. Super easy, but if you enjoyed learning how to make this cake, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so we can change the world one cake at a time.